Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this cute face and body of this one who is reading a book, which is a really easy one to make. We'll make her cute shiny eyes and then color it by the colors as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we learn how to make this easy drawing of this cute bird which looks really awesome and has big legs and huge wings and has a huge beak too. We will learn how to make this as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by writing the number 3 and create it into a beautiful seahorse which looks really awesome and is easy to make. We'll create his beautiful eyes and complete it by making some scales on his body. Going forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this drawing of this cute looking seal, which is a really easy one to make and has a smiling face. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will learn how to make this easy drawing of this cute looking frog, which is a really easy one to make and can be easily made in a short time span and complete it.